Hello guys, you can't believe what I just got. I got this in a FYE store. If you go to like a mall or I don't know which region you're in, but they actually have this for sale. It's a Hover-1 Hype, and it's also this one right here is XLS, and it's the riding version. And you can see here, you can see the specs for portability, up to 22 miles on a charge. Wow. So that means in one charge you get 22 miles, and you also have the maximum speed up to 20 miles an hour. We're gonna go and check it out, see how fast it is. But they actually, the pricing, they put it on sale for $1,399. So it's gonna be like 1,400, you know. And now they got it on sale. Actually, I got this on sale for $250. And you can see here, they have it now on sale. You can see here for $249.88. But if you do get this scooter for this FYE store, you can get another 10%. So out the door with tax and everything, you'd be spending about $240. I would say $240 some change, okay? And you know, this one has been out for a while, and I've been looking at this because the reason why I like about this, because it's just tiny. It's portability. It just remind me of my, you know, this I would say one of my electric bicycle, and also my scooter. Just easy to go. You can take it anywhere with you, you know, and you can store it. Not to worry about having a big item, and you can put all this three in your truck, I would say, you know, or your car, and it just fits everything in the back seat of the trunk. But we're gonna go and check it out and see. This is very interesting. You know, if you get this deal right now, you can actually drive this in the fall and in the winter time. You know, by the time summertime comes, it's gonna be awesome. You know, you're gonna be like, wow. Yeah. And you be riding around, and you can put this in the back of your truck or your trunk of your car, and just everything is to fit. But let's see what he have for $250. I would say $240. This is the scooter. God. Whew. It's big. Interesting. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this thing over here. Oh, this thing. Wow. And then what else? It comes in a box. So it has the fold lock. Oh, okay, so you gotta pull that out, and it locks. So it goes, comes with it. Wow. Okay. Okay, where's the key? Interesting. I did unboxing on this, but it looked like it's been open already, and you can see here there's no chargers that comes with it, and there's also no key. So it's gonna be, yeah, for $240. That's the reason why I got it at the store. And it's also, they already have this seal. See the seal already? It's been opened. So it's basically, I would say, they probably a return item or a used item. But I mean, everything looks new. But the only thing is missing here is the key and also the battery charger. So, you know, nothing really perfect in unboxing. But you can see how this scooter, I liked it already. I mean, you know, you have that strong struts on the front. So if you hit a bump, I mean, everything is fine. So that's the only thing, the problem with this one. And I mean, the tires is new, look like never been used. So I have a feeling probably someone got this, or they probably just used the charger and the key for somewhere else. But I'm gonna go ahead and, good thing for me, I have the receipt and it's 30 days guaranteed return. So I'm gonna go ahead and return it back to the company and see what's going on. You know, sometimes when you buy stuff, sometimes it ain't perfect even though you got it for less. You know, I mean, that's how it is. That's the reason why if you buy something, you always want receipt, you always want something else, just in case some scenario, something happened like this. Everything is fine. I'm excited. Like I said, I got it for $240. If I need to, I can always get another charger or a key, or I can just put another key system on there. But I like it, you know? It's weird, you know, I do like it. So you just basically push this back and you get this this how you ride on, and it's cool. Struts on the front, pretty strong, and it's going 20 miles an hour, 15 miles. I mean, you know, it says it can go up all the way to a maximum 20 miles an hour, and it can go up to 22 miles. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out. But the brakes are good. The rotors, like, you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and check it out. Check out the company and see if they can get me another one. And it looks cool. And I think this has been out for a while. And the good thing about this fact is that it's just portability. You know, you can just take it with you. I mean, all you gotta do is just, pull this right here, thing down, see? I think you just pull that, and then everything else just goes up. Yeah. It goes like that, and you can put it in your car. And look how portable that thing is, man, if you have it like that, you know? So, I don't know if you can stand it, like, let's go ahead and see if we can stand it like this. So, it got some weight to it. I would say about, how many pounds is this thing? It got some, yeah, so you got some weight to it though. It got some little weight to it, but it's not like, you know, you're gonna be carrying it all the time and you're gonna be riding this around. It's basically a riding scooter, not a stand-up scooter. And that's how you carry this thing. So, you know, even though I'm complaining, or sometimes things didn't come in a box, but I can always contact the company and let them know what's going on, and you know. But so far so good. I mean, like I said, it's a fail unboxing. I mean, everything is new. So I have a feeling they probably just take off the charger on this one and also the key. So I'm gonna go ahead and contact them tomorrow, and hopefully I can get this thing riding. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Wow. cool ride to it.